This is the child choking scenario, going from conscious to unconscious. So little Johnny is a little shorter than me, so I'm going to get down on my knee to his level. Hey, little Johnny, keep coughing, keep coughing, keep coughing. When he gets to the point where he can't cough and he's showing the universal sign of choking, he can't breathe, he can't speak, he can't cough, I'm going to say, can I help? Are you choking, little Johnny? Can I help you? All right, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend forward. And 1, 2. We're going to keep going until he gets better or he gets worse. If he gets better, means he coughs the food up. 4, 5. Or he gets worse, means he goes unconscious. So if he goes unconscious, we're going to lower him down to the ground. We're going to call for help. Anytime someone goes unconscious, we need to call for help right away. Help, call 911 and grab a defibrillator. Tell them that someone is unconscious and now they're choking and it's a child. Going to jump right into CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's look in the mouth. Do you see any food? Oh, I see something, so I'm going to pick it out. Try a breath. Nope, the breath doesn't go in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look in the mouth. Oh, pick something out. Breath doesn't go in. Tilt back further. Try another breath. Still doesn't go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look in the mouth. Oh, there's something. Yep. Now let's try our breath. All right, that breath goes in and it comes back out. Here we go. There's 2 successful rescue breaths. Since the airway's open, A. Now let me check B and C. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000. All right, so little Johnny is breathing now. So if he's breathing, I'll roll him into the recovery position. If he's not breathing, then that's bad. We're going to start CPR and defibrillation. So that's why we ask for the defibrillator. But we're not going to put the defibrillator in place while they're still choking, but after, when we do this last assessment to check if they're breathing, that's when we'd add the defibrillator in now. All right, so that's the child who is choking and goes from conscious to unconscious.